Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Have you really just completely fucked it up with your employers, or your employees before, to where they don't trust you anymore? How do you gain that trust back? It's a delicate process, right? And as a leader, we gain that back through, trust. We have to gain trust. Trust is gained, it's not earned. Respect is earned, not given, right? So we have to just start to build those trust factors back in, right? And probably your process sucked in the first place. So there again, here, I'm going to say it again, purpose, direction, motivation. You can't go wrong. If you input those three things, you can gain all that trust back. See you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God. It's beautiful.